Inside a water park, the race is on with 3 boats. The yellow boat is in the lead. The red boat has sunk. Yellow boat and brown boat pass the water pump. Brown boat reached the finish line. How to build a water race. Step 1. Build the racetrack. Turntable water pump. Finish line. Starting line. Step 2. Build the water wheel. To move the water from start to finish, we need 4 water wheels. Our next 3 racers. Paper boat, wood boat, Lego boat. Who will get the biggest prize today? 3, 2, 1, go! Paper boat has sunk.
Get out of my way.
Paper boat failed. Lego boat and wood boat are in a whirlpool. They are stuck at the water pump. Water pump.
We're not gonna make it.
Both are struggling to move. Wood boat has taken the lead.
My boat is losing control.
Lego boat just hit the island. Lego boat failed. The waterways are so strong.
Oh no,
Wood boat has escaped.
I won. The prize is mine.
Here are all your rewards.
I'm rich. What happened?
Hey, baby!
Oh no, what about me?
Inside an Arctic exhibit.
Welcome. Nice to see you both here.
This place is burning up.
I want to go home.
I need help over here. The penguins are down. It's way too hot for them. Do something quickly.
Keep calm, buddy. I will check the cooling system now. Oh no, the dry ice melted away. And the cooler fan stopped working too. We need extra ice at the Arctic exhibit right now.
Don't worry, we'll save you.
How to build the ice cooler fan. Step 1. Build the cooling system. The gears. Add the motor. This fan blade seems to fit my ice cooler fan. Testing wind power with paper. It's too weak. I'll build a new fan blade. Now let's test it again. Step 2. Build the outer shell. Side panel. Back panel. Front panel. Roof panel. Control knob. Now, I'll add the dry ice tray into this area. Ice tray. The dry ice has just arrived. Testing.
The ice cooler fans are fixed. Now we will get them back in place. Alright, time to test the fan.
The penguins are back to life.
They look so happy.
Hello, you're fine again.
Wait, where are all the penguins?
Whoa. Beautiful. What? Oh no. It's too expensive to buy. I'll build the Jurassic Park.
Let's build a Jurassic water park.
Step 1. Install water pump casing.
Step 2. Install conveyor. Step 3. Testing water pump works.
We need a stronger current to push the boat.
Step 4. Update water pump.
Let's decorate Jurassic Park together. Step 5. Decor the Jurassic Park.
I'm caught up with you. One more round. They'll kill us all.
Oh no, Mr. Hand. Are you kidding me?
You have been taught
What such an amazing park. Nothing like the ads.
In an Ice Age water park.
This park deserves 1 star.
Wait. We'll have the new water slide now.
Let's see.
Okay. How to build a water slide. Step 1. Build a water pump. Build the faucet. Water flows out here. Build the impeller box. The impeller. Connect them. Add the engine. Step 2. Install the slides. Water is pumped up the slide, then flows down into the pool. Testing. Success. Now, set up water slides. Water pump.
Now we will have a boat race. This is our race map. Let's the race begin. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
This reward is mine.
In your dream.
Oh no, they've gone too far.
Get out of my way.
The reward will be mine.
One candidate has failed.
Avalanche.
Another candidate has failed.
What happened? I'm the winner.
so cool.
It's amazing.